kind of cold today. Cold, cold, cold. Super, super cold. Vendor, fried food vendor in Zhunan. What did we order? We ordered the chicken wings and the squid. Yeah, fried squid. Let's see how fast he will give us the wings and squid. Pretty fast. Just ordered. 2 minutes. How much is it? 多少钱，老板？Tofu, pinka, different sort of tofu. Ooh. I think those are mushrooms. Mushrooms, sweet potato. I hear plastic bag. Here it comes. Less than 5 minutes. Done. $160 for a bag of fried chicken wings and squid. Fried chicken wings and squid.